Good morning, students. I again welcome in our online classes, and today we will read about the chapter number first, the Tiger King. This is a short story about the famous king known as the Tiger King. Okay, so before reading the chapter, I want to tell you the theme of the story. So, students, the basic theme of the story is first point, death is inevitable. Why? Because in this chapter, the chapter is related to the Tiger King's death, and he killed the 99 tigers, but he can't save himself from that 100 number tiger. Okay. Second, man become ruthless and cruel when he is in the power. Why ruthless and cruel? Because he killed 99 tigers to save himself. Okay. And the third point is, we can't change our destiny. So whatever written in our destiny, we can't change. Okay. So this is the basic theme of the chapter, the Tiger King. So then, about the writer, Ramaswamy Iyer Krishnamurthy, better known by his pen name Kalki, was a Tamil writer, journalist, poet, critic, and an Indian independence activist. He derived his pen name from the suffixes of his wife name Kalyani and his name Krishnamurthy. His writings includes a large number of short stories, 5 novels, editorial and political writings, films and music reviews. So students, this is the introduction of the writers. इस इंट्रोडक्शन में हमने ये बताया है कि रामास्वामी अय्यर कृष्णमूर्ति जो कल्कि नाम से जाने जाते हैं, वो एक जर्नलिस्ट थे, पोएट थे, क्रिटिक थे और एक इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस एक्टिविस्ट भी थे, मतलब स्वतंत्रता सेनानी. उनका नाम जो कल्कि रूप में जाना जाता है, ये उनकी वाइफ कल्याणी और उनका खुद का नाम कृष्णमूर्ति, दोनों का एक शॉर्ट फॉर्म है. इन्होंने शॉर्ट स्टोरीज़ लिखी है, नॉवेल्स लिखे हैं और कई म्यूज़िक रिव्यूज़ लिखे हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स कम टू द चैप्टर. फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ. The Maharaja of Pratibandpuram is the hero of the story. He may be identified as His Highness Jamidar General Khiledar Major Satyavyagara Samhari, Maharaja Dhiraj Vishwabhumna Samrat, Sir Jilani Jung Bahadur MAD ACTC CRCK. But this name is often shortened to the Tiger King. I have came forward to tell you why he came to be known as Tiger King. I have no intention of pretending to do advance only to end in a strategical withdrawal. Even the threat of Stuka Mambar will not throw me off track. The Stuka, if it likes, can beat a hasty retreat from my story. So students, in this first paragraph, the writer is telling so many names of the Tiger King. For example, CRCK, Khiledar Major, Satyavyagari, Jamidar General and many others. But his famous name was the Tiger King. And in this paragraph, the writer also tells that he is not afraid of the Stuka Bomber, a fighter plane which was used in Second World War. Okay, and why he is not afraid? Because he is saying that he have no intention of telling in advance the secret of King's death. Okay, he wants to tell the story step by step. If the Stuka wants to change his path, he can change. But the writer रिवील्स द सीक्रेट स्टेप बाय स्टेप. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, इस पैराग्राफ में हमने ये देखा कि टाइगर किंग के बहुत सारे नाम थे जो मैंने बता दिए हैं अभी. CRCK, MAD, ACTC, महाराजा धीराज, खिलेदार मेजर, और इन सब नामों से ज़्यादा वो टाइगर किंग्स के नाम से फेमस था. और एक बात और हमने देखी है कि राइटर जो है अपने तरीके में, अपने स्टोरी को बताने के तरीके को नहीं बदलना चाहता है. इसके लिए वो फाइटर प्लेन से भी नहीं डरता है, जो कि एक बॉम्बर है जो सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वार में यूज़ किया गया था. ओके, सो कम टू द सेकेंड पैराग्राफ. राइट एट द स्टार्ट इट इज़ इम्पेरेटिव टू डिस्क्लोज अ मैटर ऑफ वाइटल इंपॉर्टेंस about the king, about the Tiger King. Everyone who reads of him will experience the natural desire to meet a man of his indomitable courage to face. But there is no chance of its fulfillment. As Bharat said to Ram about Dashrath, the Tiger King has reached the final abode of all living creatures. In other words, the Tiger King is dead. So in the second paragraph, the writer is saying that the king was very brave. So everyone wants to meet him, but there is no chance of its fulfillment because the Tiger King is dead. So students, if you want to meet the Tiger King, there is no chance. So just he is giving the example of Bharat. When Bharat meet Bhagwan Ram, Lord Ram, about that, he is saying about the death of the information and the news of the news of his father's death, just like the Tiger King is also dead. He is no more in this world. Okay, so बच्चों इस पैराग्राफ में हमें ये बताया गया है कि ये एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात है कि टाइगर किंग जो था वह बहुत ब्रेव था, पर अब अगर हम कोई मिलना चाहें उनसे तो नहीं मिल सकते क्योंकि उनकी डेथ हो चुकी है. इट मीन्स वो अब इस दुनिया में नहीं रहे. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. The manner of his death is a matter of extraordinary interest. It can be revealed only at the end of the tale. The most fantastic aspect of his demise was as soon as he was born, astrologers had foretold that one day the Tiger King would actually have to die. So, in this paragraph, the writer is saying that the king was very brave, okay, and his manner of death is also extraordinary. And if you want to know the manner of death, it can be revealed in the last part of the story, in the end. So by reading this chapter, we can reveal this secret. Okay. तो इस पैराग्राफ में राइटर ने हमें ये बताने की कोशिश की गई है कि अगर हम ये जानना चाहें कि राजा की डेथ कैसे हुई है तो उसके लिए हमें पूरा चैप्टर पढ़ना पड़ेगा, वो हम पहले नहीं जान सकते. सो कम टू द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. द चाइल्ड विल ग्रो अप टू become the warrior of warriors, hero of heroes, champion of champions, but their lips and swallowed hard. When compelled to continue, the astrologers came out with it. This is a secret which should not be revealed at all. And yet we are forced to speak out. The child born under this star will one have to meet its death. So students, they have a prediction. What is the prediction? That the child will die one day. Why? Because this is the prediction given by the astrologers. So students, इस पैराग्राफ में ये बताया गया है कि वो बहुत ही ब्रेव था, वो चैम्पियंस था, ऐसा उसके बारे में वो एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स बोल रहे थे. लेकिन बोलते बोलते वो रुक गए. क्यों रुक गए? क्योंकि आगे उसके बारे में जो बोलना था वो एक अच्छी बात नहीं थी. लेकिन जब राजा ने वहाँ के लोगों ने उससे बाधित किया, उनको फोर्स किया कि अब आप बोलिए क्या बोलना चाहते, तो उन्होंने कहा कि ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि वो ब्रेव होगा, चैम्पियन होगा, लेकिन उसकी एक दिन मौत हो जाएगी. ओके, कंटिन्यू. At that very moment, a great miracle took place. An astonishing phrase emerged from the lips of 10-day-old Jilani Jang Bahadur. "O wise prophets!" Everyone stood transfixed in stupefaction. They looked wildly at each other and blinked. "O wise prophets! It was I who spoke." This time there were no grounds for doubt. It was the infant born just 10 days ago who had initiated the word so clearly. The chief astrologer took off his spectacles and gazed intensely at the baby. "All those who are born will one day have to die. We don't need your predictions to know that. There would be some sense in it if you could tell us the manner of the death." The royal infant uttered these words in his little squeaky voice. So students, in this paragraph, a miracle took place. Why miracle? Because a 10-day-old infant boy is speaking, and not only speaking, he is asking intelligent questions only. What he spoke? "Oh wise prophets!" So everyone surprised how it is possible that 10-day-old boy spoke so clearly, and he also wants to know the manner of his death. So students, इस पैराग्राफ में हमें ये बताया गया है कि जब राजा के बारे में भविष्यवाणी की गई, उसके बारे में प्रेडिक्शन किया गया, तो वो 10 दिन का बच्चा अपने बारे में जानने की बहुत इच्छुक था, और वो 10 दिन का बच्चा क्वेश्चन पुटअप करने लगा कि इसमें कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है कि उसकी मौत होगी, मौत तो सबकी होनी है, लेकिन इस बात में सेंस है कि आप मुझे ये बताएं कि मेरे मौत का तरीका क्या होगा. अब ये बात जब सबने सुनी तो सभी लोग चौंक गए, क्योंकि एक 10 दिन का बच्चा इस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस नहीं बोल सकता और नहीं इस तरीके की बातें कर सकता है. ओके, कम टू द नेक्स्ट paragraph. The chief astrologer placed his finger on his nose in a wonder. A baby barely 10 days old opened its lips in speech. Not only that, it also raises intelligent question. Incredible. Rather like bulletins issued by the war office than facts. The chief astrologer took his finger off his nose and fixed his eyes upon his little friends. So astrologer was very surprised and placed his finger on his nose for checking that the incident was real or daydreaming or fake. So the 10-day-old boy is speaking like the newsreader. When the newsreader reads the news in a very correct and a good manner, like that, बिल्कुल उसी तरीके से ये एक छोटा 10 दिन का बच्चा जो है वो क्वेश्चन पुट अप कर रहा है. ये सबको चौंकाने वाली बात थी. द प्रिंस वॉज बॉर्न in the hour of bull. The bull and the tigers are enemy. Therefore, death comes from the tiger. He explained. You may think that Crown Prince Jung Bahadur was thrown into a quake when he heard the word tiger. That was exactly what did not happen. As soon as he heard it pronounced, the Crown Prince gave a deep growl. Terrifying words emerged from his lips. Let's tiger be aware. This account is only a rumor rife in Pratibandpuram, but with the hindsight, we may conclude it was based on some truth. So students, in the last paragraph of this first part, the prince was born in the hour of bull. So bull and the tigers are enemy. So the astrologers are saying that the reason of the king was tiger. So if we are imagining that the child is afraid, we are wrong, because the 10-day-old boy emerged the terrifying words from his lips. What are the words? Let's tiger be aware. So बच्चों, ये 10 दिन का जो बच्चा था, जब इसने सुना कि उसकी मौत एक टाइगर से होने वाली है, तो आप सोच रहे होंगे कि वो डर गया. वो डरा नहीं, बल्कि उसने टाइगर्स को धमकी भरे अंदाज में सावधान रहने के लिए कहा, और उसने अपने आप को इस चीज़ के लिए तैयार किया कि वो सारे के सारे टाइगर्स को अब मारने वाला है. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, हमने देखा कि इस चैप्टर के अंदर जब टाइगर किंग का जन्म होता है तब उसे उसके प्रेडिक्शन, उसके एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स उसके बारे में बताते हैं, और जब उसे ये पता चलता है कि उसकी मौत का कारण एक टाइगर है, तो वो टाइगर्स को एक चैलेंज कर रहा है. क्या चैलेंज था? लेट्स टाइगर बी अवेयर. ओके, थैंक यू.